I'm going to show you how to remove or replace your band on your Apple Watch. This is Series 6. It's really simple to do. You see, I got the silver band. It looks more professional than this plastic band that came with it. So this is the plastic one that came with it. You got a long one and a short one. So I'm going to go ahead and put the plastic one back on. I'm going to take this one off and I'm going to show you how to remove it. First, what you want to do, you want to take the watch and you want to turn it on the back and you'll see a button there. I'm going to zoom in. So what you want to do, you see that little button right there, you want to push that in and slide your band either to the right or left. So I'm going to get you a better view of it. So I'm going to push it in, I'm going to slide it to the right and it'll come out, or you can slide it to the left. It doesn't matter. And it's one on each side. And you take your plastic one, and that part right there should be facing down on your wrist. So you take your watch, like I said, you flip that over, make sure that it's pointing down, that little symbol, and you slide it in. You're going to hear it click when it go in. There you go. It's in. And you take the other piece and do the same thing. Like I said, that symbol right there need to be pointing down. It'll be up against your wrist. You slide it in and you're going to hear this click when it locks in. And if you try to put it on the other side upside down, it won't click. And that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and replace this one, take this plastic off and put my silver one back on. And you can purchase those on Amazon if you want replacement bands. I'll put a link in the description below. So I'm going to put my silver one back on. And that's it. The Apple Watch. So I'm going to head to the gym and subscribe to my channel.